Hey everyone, have you noticed how fast the tools industry is evolving? Every day, new brands are popping up with their latest innovations, advanced technologies, and of course, fresh tools to offer. And among them, we have picked up the 20 best new tools you can get this year. So let's not waste more time and get to the products. At the very first, we have this tiny little tool from Tolson, but don't go on its size because it does everything that your large-size screwdriver does. It comes with an all-metal gearbox that ensures durability with low noise, and the forward-reverse mechanical switch prevents accidental touches. With 3 torque settings, you can easily adjust it for specific jobs. Plus, it gives you around 5 Newton meters of torque for your regular jobs. This tool is powered by a built-in 1500 mAh lithium battery, which will help you in long-lasting use. The large, soft, rubber-covered handle is here to reduce vibration. Comfort is necessary, right? Oh, it also has 3 LED lights that automatically brighten dark spaces while working. Overall, this tool is both practical and convenient, perfect for any mechanic looking to add the latest gear to their toolbox. Wait, is this any kind of superhero stuff? Maybe something coming straight from a sci-fi movie? Well, no. This is your assistance for all those strenuous overhead tasks. The Festool's EXoActive Exoskeleton is designed to actively support your arms while working on tasks like painting, drywalling, or installing. Powered by an 18-volt battery, this tool reduces strain on your neck and shoulders, so that you can work longer with more comfort and with better focus. Whether you're working on walls or ceilings, the ExoActive provides adjustable support that you can easily tweak in seconds to match your needs. It's designed to fit like a backpack, with quick adjustments for your body size. The ExoActive is a breakthrough product because it offers a level of support to boost your productivity in every overhead job. Often workshop tools have a heavy weight, remain tangled with cables, and take up too much space. Don't you think it's time for a change? Say hello to the 3D Simo MultiPro, a small, smart, and efficient tool that can replace up to 7 different electric tools. This versatile device lets you bring all your creative ideas to life. Whether you're carving a wooden bow tie or burning patterns into leather shoes, the 3D Simo MultiPro is like having a mini workshop in your hand. Perfect for DIYers, modelers, and 3D print enthusiasts, this lightweight, ergonomically designed tool can even be safely used by kids. With its many extensions, you can engrave glass, make jewelry, burn designs into wood or leather, and more. Your only limit is the size of your workspace. With the little tool, you can smooth out 3D prints, cut, drill, solder, screw, and even manufacture a working quadcopter from scratch. What else you can ask from it? This is the NeoRulerGO, a sleek, smart, pocket-sized rolling ruler that's here to make your everyday measuring simple and precise. This tool provides an accuracy of ±1 millimeter. Whether you're measuring straight lines, curves, circular objects, or irregular surfaces, it can handle it all. To measure, just position the laser at one corner, roll the wheel, and align the laser at the opposite corner. It features versatile functions like linear and circular measurement, plus specialized tasks like measuring cabinet widths, door frames, and tight or angled spaces. With 93 built-in scales, you can switch between mm, cm, meters, inches, feet, yards, and more, making it suitable for any project. Not just that, you can even customize scales for specific needs like floor plans. The user-friendly design includes left and right-hand modes and an LCD screen that supports both landscape and portrait views. Are you tired of dealing with bulky, inaccurate measuring tools? We have a perfect solution for you. This is the all-new tape measure from UF Tools, but it's not just an ordinary one. With modes for measuring distance, area, volume, and even using the Pythagorean theorem, it calculates everything quickly and shows the results on a screen. So you can use it for both professional projects and everyday tasks. The tape measures up to 5 meters, while the laser can reach 40 meters, giving you fast and accurate results in just 2 seconds. Powered by a built-in rechargeable battery with a 5-hour life, you can easily charge it via USB, so it's always ready to go. Plus, it comes with an ABS case and copper-plated finish, which provides a solid, comfortable grip for every task. Now, here comes a freshly introduced rotary cutter from Sailrite. This handy tool makes fabric cutting tasks easier and faster than ever. It's a cordless, battery-powered tool that works with all types of fabric and even other materials. So you're going to get superb versatility. Even you don't need a cutting mat while using this tool. With built-in safety features and multiple speed settings, it's simple and safe to use, whether you're at home or on the job. Plus, it can cut through thick materials that will really surprise you. It's a great tool for boosting productivity and making fabric cutting a breeze. Rapid XP30 is an ideal solution for heavy-duty fastening and anchoring jobs on hollow walls. Built with a strong aluminum body and designed to sit flush against the wall, this tool creates a stable base that helps you apply pressure effectively, making sure the anchor is fitted correctly every time. It features a non-slip rubber surface that adds stability and protects the wall from damage. With a comfortable ergonomic handle, the XP30 is easy to use, even during long projects. It works with all sizes of rapid hollow wall anchors from M4 to M6, making it ideal for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals. Whether you're working with plasterboard, drywall, or other building materials, the XP30 is a tough and reliable choice for anchoring tasks. Meet the FarReach A1, a powerful, compact, and versatile emergency tool that keeps you ready for anything, anytime. This tool has a manual mode for those special inflation tasks, and using it is a breeze. There are 5 preset modes for inflating cars, motorcycles, bicycle tires, balls, and a customizable option, so even beginners can easily select the right setting. Plus, it automatically shuts off when the preset pressure is reached, ensuring safety and accuracy. The FarReach A1 inflates vehicle tires 3 times faster than traditional inflators. And you can keep an eye on the pressure with its smart digital screen that shows real-time readings. It's powered by a PH 25mm cylinder air compressor and a high-performance motor that delivers an airflow rate of 32 liters per minute, and it can reach a maximum pressure of 150 psi, making it a reliable choice for all your inflation needs. Meet the new RIDGID RP 251 press tool, which is one of the latest compact press tools on the market. This tool comes with a brushless motor that can handle over 60,000 press cycles without needing any maintenance, making it super reliable. The tool features a flexible head that swivels all the way around so you can easily reach tight spots. It has a comfy design with a trigger that's positioned for easy use, and a slim grip handle that makes one-handed operation a breeze, even when you're working overhead. Plus, it's got bright 360-degree LED lights to help you see what you're doing in dimly lit areas. This tool really has everything you need to get the job done right. STIHL HTA 135 battery telescopic pole pruner. STIHL HTA 135 battery telescopic pole pruner. This handy tool is designed for serious tree care, offers great performance, and provides a longer runtime for all your big jobs. The best part of the tool is it operates quieter than traditional models, so you can work without bothering the neighbors. The pruner features a sturdy telescopic boom that you can easily adjust for precise cutting. It has a well-designed chain sprocket cover that helps with chip ejection and is built to handle any weather with its splash protection. Plus, it comes with an innovative air filter that keeps dirt out while allowing airflow. The tool is compact, featuring a universal motor unit with a battery compartment and an efficient EC motor. It's also made with lightweight magnesium gear and includes a branch hook, making it easy to manage your cutting tasks. Overall, this pruner packs a lot of power and convenience for any landscaping job. Next up, we have something for solid construction pros. Here is the Orit H600 scissor lifting clamp, a heavy-duty tool that makes it super easy to transport and install grass blocks. It can carry between 1 to 5 standard grass stones, which measure 60 by 40 centimeters and have a hole size of 9 by 9 centimeters. One of the best features is its automatic switch, allowing it to go from holding full blocks to empty ones without any hassle, making it perfect for a single operator to use. Weighing only 2.9 kilograms and with a clamping range of 400 millimeters, this clamp is lightweight yet effective, helping you get the job done quickly and efficiently. 22 cordless concrete grinder, and this is the all-new Hilti DHG 130 22 cordless concrete grinder. This tool might seem a bulky one, but it's actually very easy to operate. This concrete grinder is the first of its kind and offers an ergonomic design, making it comfortable to use for long periods. With advanced safety features and the powerful Neuron battery platform, it delivers impressive grinding and finishing results. Plus, being cordless means you won't waste time looking for a power outlet or dealing with cords, so you can focus on getting the job done efficiently. So, if you're working on a big project or just need to touch up some concrete, this Hilti DHG grinder has got you covered. The titanium magnetic screwdriver integrated tool is a super handy solution that combines several tools into one. Made from titanium grade 5 with precision CNC machining, it works with any standard 1/4-inch screwdriver bits, making it easy to swap heads depending on what you need. Its clever design features an angled storage space for the bits, so you can quickly grab or put them back with ease. Plus, it has strong magnets at the bottom to keep the bits securely in place, so you won't have to worry about losing them when you're on the go. No matter you need a screwdriver, hex spanner, ratchet tool, or even a window breaker, this tool has everything for you and you don't have to mess around your worksite. How often you get annoyed of messy paint jobs? Say goodbye to all of them, because we have the all-new MARSHALLTOWN 4-inch roller paint pail. This tool is here to make your life easier. It can hold up to a quart of paint and has handy pour spouts on each corner so you can transfer paint without any spills. There's a brush magnet to rest your paintbrush, perfect for brushes up to 3 inches, while 2 magnetic roller rests on the sides keep your rollers up to 4.5 inches out of the paint, preventing drips. Plus, it has 2 wiping blades to remove any excess paint from your brush and a roll-off ramp for smooth roller use. With a comfy adjustable nylon strap, this paint pail fits any hand size and is super easy to work with. Just remember, the liners are sold separately. FrameFAST structural fastener. This updated tool comes with a better drive system and a new alignment guide so you can use it easily. Now, you no longer have to deal with messy compressors, nail guns, or hoses because this system installs 5 times faster without any special tools. Just place the alignment guide under the truss, insert the screw, and drive it in to make the connection. This fully threaded fastener is perfect for use in load-bearing areas, and it's backed by Fastener Master's Project Life Guarantee. The special Torx to tap drive system helps prevent stripping, and the alignment guide makes sure you install it correctly every time. You can use it for various tasks, like securing wall studs and connecting deck joists. The Milescraft 1337 Lockmate is the ideal jig for DIY enthusiasts looking to replace doors at home. Designed for users of any skill level, it allows for quick and accurate hardware installation. The jig includes high-quality bimetal cobalt alloy hole saws, which makes it easy to drill through any interior or exterior door. It cuts through both wood and metal, fitting solid or hollow core doors. The Lockmate adjusts for standard door thicknesses and creates standard back sets for locks and knobs. With a stepped drill guide bushing to prevent damage and extend jig life, plus an extra long 1/4-inch pilot bit to reduce tear out, it ensures a clean and precise cut. The jig is universally compatible with most common lock, knob, and handle sizes and can be securely mounted to the door with 2 included screws. Don't go on the tiny size. This Klein Tool's AccuBend level ensures precise 90-degree bends with its no-dog bubble level. It's a valuable tool for professionals. The thumb screw allows for quick and secure attachment to conduits of any size, streamlining the setup process. Its bright orange aluminum body is durable and easy to locate on busy jobs and construction sites. The V-groove design fits snugly onto conduit, pipe, railings, and other round surfaces, providing versatile use. With a compact body only 2.5 inches long, this level is easy to carry in pouches, bags, and backpacks. It means you won't have to take any extra hassle to carry it around the job site. Tackle garden maintenance effortlessly with the Bosch Advanced Chainsaw. This cordless tool features a powerful brushless motor for handling large branches and logs with ease. OptiCut speed control technology ensures smooth, continuous cuts through even the toughest hardwoods and knots by anticipating stalling and adjusting torque accordingly. Garden enthusiasts will appreciate its balanced, lightweight handling and easy assembly with the toolless SDS system. Plus, it comes with the quick-stop kickback brake that provides added safety. And the built-in Bosch Syneon technology lets you optimize the power and maximize the runtime. This advanced chainsaw makes garden maintenance more efficient and enjoyable. Say hello to the sleek and robust Gear Wrench 120 XP ratchets. These handy tools offer exceptional performance with a 3-degree swing arc and a low-profile head, making it easier to access hard-to-turn fasteners. Available in multiple drive sizes, these ratchets can be purchased individually or in sets. The improved ratchet head design features a 22% lower profile than existing models, allowing for use in tighter spaces. Constructed with a full polished chrome finish, these ratchets are resistant to oil and solvents, ensuring long tool life. The 120 XP ratchets exceed ASME torque performance requirements and are available in standard or extra long lengths for added versatility and durability. Are you concerned about your job site accuracy and efficiency? Meet Hilti Neuron PM50 MG22 multi-line laser, a revolutionary tool that sets new standards in laser leveling. With a 30% increase in height adjustment accuracy, thanks to a fine-tuning knob and improved laser diodes, it delivers razor-sharp lines visible even in daylight, with a range of up to 130 and 200 feet with a receiver. The micro-adjustment pivoting base allows for precise alignments up to 30 degrees, and integrated shock absorbers enhance drop resistance. Powered by the versatile Neuron all-in-one 22-volt battery platform, it ensures up to 25% faster alignment. The PM50 MG22 is an indispensable tool for professionals seeking unparalleled accuracy and efficiency. Say goodbye to gas generators with the Ego Power Plus Nexus portable power station, a clean and quiet battery-powered alternative. It harnesses the power of any Ego battery, providing versatile and efficient energy both indoors and outdoors. The station features a pure sine wave inverter, which runs cooler and more efficiently than traditional inverters. With 3 AC outlets and 4 USB ports, it can power multiple devices simultaneously. It is safe for indoor use, making it perfect for home emergencies, and robust enough for outdoor activities like camping, tailgating, and job sites. The Nexus power station is compatible with 1 to 4 Ego batteries of any size and combination, ensuring flexibility and extended runtime. Whether you need reliable power during outages or for your outdoor adventures, the Ego Nexus power station delivers clean, quiet, and efficient energy whenever and wherever you need it. So, that's all. Thanks for watching our video. We hope you enjoyed discovering some of the latest and greatest tools. If you want to stay updated on the newest releases, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. See you next time.